Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the water inlet valve on your LG washer. This video will explain how to replace the larger cold water valve located here. If you need to replace the hot water valve, we left a link in the video description below. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The washer's cold water inlet valve has three solenoids and plungers that will open and close to control the flow of water of the main wash cycle, pre-wash cycle, and bleach dispenser. If any of the valves fail or clog, it may result in the washer not filling with enough water or filling slowly. A bad valve may also cause the washer to fill with water when it is not in use, and the screen on the back of the valve may become clogged. If you need to purchase a new part for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these two screws on the back of the washer. Then, slide the top panel back about half an inch and lift it up to remove it. If you are having problems removing the top panel, try sliding it forward slightly to lift it up. The water inlet valve is located here. Gently pull on the electrical connectors to disconnect all three. Then, using a pair of pliers, remove one of the hose clamps from the hoses. Next, pull on the hose to remove it. Moving the hose side to side when removing it may make it easier. Then, remove the two other hoses from the water inlet. Then, on the back of the washer, remove the two Phillips head screws holding the inlet valve in place. If you need to purchase a new water inlet valve, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the inlet valve to the washer and install the two Phillips head screws. Next, reconnect the three hoses to the water inlet valve. It is important each hose gets connected to the correct outlet or the washer will not function correctly. Each of the hoses are labeled here on the dispenser assembly. The right hose will be connected to the bleach compartment on the dispenser assembly. The middle hose will be connected to the main wash, and the left to the pre-wash. When installing the hoses, make sure that the hose clamps are clamped over the outlets on the valve to ensure that the hoses will stay in place. Then connect the two blue electrical connectors to the outside of the valve. And the white connector to the middle. To reinstall the top panel, align it to the washer so that the rear brackets are towards the back of the washer. Then, align the tabs on the top of the washer to the slots on the bottom of the panel and set it into place. Slide it forward to secure it in place. Next, reinstall the two screws to secure the top panel. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.